Hey there, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We just got here to a house here to do an estimate. Looking to get the tops of the gutter screens cleaned off, get the soffits, gutters, fascias washed up really nice. So our process that we use to get the gutter screens cleaned up is they seem to be installed for like permanent bases. So we usually just take a high volume power washer, not at high pressure, but we'll power wash over the top of the screens, and that'll take care of all the debris that's on top of there. And then to clean your gutters, soffit, and fascia, spruce up the siding, what we do is like a gentle detergent wash. It's not actually power washing, but what we do is we apply a safe detergent, a chemical, and it allows us to break down any of those bug guts, the poop, the algae, the mold, spider webs, and then after our cleaner does its work, we'll rinse down your house safely. That's effective in not damaging your siding, your screens, all that fun stuff around you. But I would like to draw attention to your back patio back here. We can get this spruced up, get that cleaned up. So I'll get you a separate quote for that. But I also wanted to draw attention to the moss that's starting to develop on certain sections of your roof. So I would highly suggest that you have us do a treatment on your shingles. There's a few different ways to go about getting your shingles cleaned up. We can apply a concentrated soap. It's similar to Wet and Forget. And essentially what this thing does is it sits on your shingles, and over time the moss, algae, black streaking should die off, and the rains will naturally wash it off within the course of a year. And you'll probably have to do it every few years or a couple years because of how shaded your yard is. Or what we suggest is do like a gentle detergent wash or a soft wash on your shingles. It's a chemical cleaning process from bleach, sodium hypochlorite, pool shock, liquid chlorine, however you want to call it. We dilute it in a way that is safe and effective for cleaning asphalt shingles. What we do is we apply that to your roof, let it dwell. All the moss and stuff will turn white and yellow. That means it's dead. And before we put our ladder away, all your black streaking and your shingles will be gone. So way to add more life to your roof, because if you continue to let that moisture sit in your roof with this lichen, it's going to fail your roof. So those moss and lichen actually has root structures growing in between the aggregate into the asphalt of your shingle. So we don't want that to happen. We want to prevent that from happening and get it cleaned up. So down below, pick the best package that meets your level of clean, your budget, and we can knock that out for you. So based on the pit and the way the siding is installed, we're not going to have the easiest time cleaning your gutters, and looks like we got some weird bug action going on right here. Looks like it's a pretty nasty party in there. But we're going to get all that debris and nastiness taken off your screens and gutters. One suggestion that we like to make is that if we were to do a siding, soffit, fascia, gutter wash, we're going to remove all that mold right up there gently, and of course we can't prevent our cleaner from getting on your siding. So we kind of have to do a whole entire house wash. So the moment it splashes on your siding, it's going to leave a clean spot. So by the time we start detailing all that up there, we have to rinse all this. So we like to encourage our clients to have their screens removed because a lot of bugs and dirt and stuff collects in there. And as we're rinsing down the house, if the screens are removed, for one, we'll clean all your screens at no cost. And you won't have any like mud puddles in the bottom of your windowsills when we're done washing your house. So hope that helps. We can also clean up your limestone rocks on the side of your home, get those brightened up. And well, that's not a good sign there. I'm seeing something out of your gutter right there. So that is, I'm gonna have to remove that gutter screen and flush that out. That makes my job more interesting. The deers are having a good old time on your hostas here. I'm looking closer at your roof here, and I'm noticing that there is some missing shingles. So I will give you a quote to repair that. A little bit about your shingles and roof maintenance. It's suggested to hydrate them with a conditioning oil. We're certified dealers for a product called Roof Max, and over time your shingles, the seal tabs under each roof, under each shingle will dry out and be susceptible to wind damage. So I'm going to include a quote to apply a penetrating oil conditioning treatment that helps rehydrate older dried out shingles and helps save them from prematurely failing. You can add another 5 to 15 years life to this roof with proper maintenance. So take a look at the videos at the end of this inspection here, and ultimately what it does is it explains why shingles today are prematurely failing and what you can do to help extend the life of your roof. Good to meet you. Thank you so much.
There is never a good day on your roof. Temperatures can climb to over 140 degrees, causing the roof to expand. Passing rain showers quickly cool the roof, creating rapid contraction, known as thermal shock. Your asphalt roof must remain flexible to withstand these extreme stresses. Oil within the asphalt allows for this flexibility. Depending on region, a roof begins breaking down between 7 and 10 years of age because the oil begins drying out of the asphalt, causing the roof to become increasingly brittle over time. With loss of flexibility, it starts to crack and begins slowly breaking apart, the same way cracks eventually turn into a pothole in an asphalt road. Roof Max is a 100% safe, all-natural food-grade oil. The spray-applied treatment quickly penetrates roof shingles, restoring flexibility and waterproofing protection. Each treatment is guaranteed to last 5 years and comes with a transferable warranty. And because Roof Max treatments are repeatable, a roof can be greatly extended past its expected life. Treatment is quick, clean, and very affordable. Get more life for less money, guaranteed with Roof Max, a powerful fusion of